Sabemos, actually.
First time I've seen water run down my head.